Padel is very simple. We can attack or we can defend. And the base of any padel game is the defense. What if I tell you you can understand how to defend with these 3 balls? I promise you will be the smartest defender after watching this video. Hi everyone, this is Dani Hoyo, professional padel coach for more than 7 years and playing padel for almost 15. And in today's video, you are gonna learn how to make good choices while you are defending. Almost always, we are gonna find this kind of setup when we are playing padel. One team will be on the attack and one team will be on the defense. The team who is attacking will be in the net trying to put the opponent in a difficult situation. The objective for us, if we are on the attack, is to put them under pressure, and if we have the good opportunity, so try to close the point. And the team who is defending will be in the defense zone, and the objective here on the defense is to survive, and when we have the chance, make a lob to leave the defense and go to the attack. Today we are gonna focus on the team who is on the defense. First of all, if you have seen the previous video talking about the lob, you will know that the lob is the easiest way to leave the defense. Now I'm gonna explain you how I understood the defense in padel. There are 3 different kinds of balls when we are defending. Red balls. In which situations I'm receiving red balls? I'm receiving a red ball in a situation that I'm feeling a real pressure because I don't have time to return the ball. For example, their serve, one good pivot of them. If they play good volleys to the middle, to the corner or to my feet. When you are receiving this kind of balls, the only thing you can do is put the ball in or survive, no more. They are the hardest balls you can receive when you are on the defense. In red balls, we cannot make lobs, because if we make a lob when we are under pressure, it's possible that our lob is gonna be out, it's gonna be to the glass, it's gonna be out of the court, or maybe we can leave them a short lob and they will smash us. Yeah, that's good. And for sure, don't try to make the winner with these red balls. Just put the ball in. Keep playing and wait for an easier ball. Yellow balls. They are easier than the red balls, and they are almost 80% of the game if you are playing against one opponent that is around the same level than you. We talk about yellow balls when we have to start creating something. I mean, when we are on the defense and we are trying to put the opponent in a difficult situation, we can change the speed, we can change the height, we can change the direction, and we can talk about the chiquitas, we can talk about the bajadas, we can talk about the ball to their feet. In which situations I'm receiving a yellow ball? Each volley that we are receiving in front of us to our forehand or backhand, but not with too much power or pressure. Each volley that we are receiving after the walls or to the corner. You know that there are some kind of balls that they are so difficult, and another kind of balls that we have a bit more of time to handle. The balls that you think, okay, I'm a bit relaxed, these balls are yellow. If you have, for example, a really good forehand and you don't have a really good backhand, maybe the balls that you are receiving from your backhand, these balls will be red for you. But the same ball exactly, receiving it to your forehand, that will be a yellow ball. It's a bit subjective, but the difference between a red ball and a yellow ball is how much pressure you feel when you are receiving this kind of balls. And why we shouldn't do lobs in these yellow balls? Because if in a long term we are playing lobs in these balls we remember that are a bit easier than the red balls. So we don't have too much time to do a well preparation, we don't have too much time to take a good decision. I recommend you to prepare better the point, to prepare better the game, and choose better to make a better lob in a better moment. If these kind of balls are well executed, we will receive an easy ball to play one lob. And this ball is the green ball. Green balls are easy balls that allow us to make a lob and leave the defense. If we have survived to the red balls, if we have put the opponent in a difficult situation, yellow balls, In some point, we will receive green balls, and we have to take advantage of these green balls and make a lob in that moment to leave the defense as soon as possible. Please, I see a lot of players, when they have survived, when they have built the game and they receive the green ball, they try to smash, they try to make the winner, and that's a really big mistake. The fundamental on the defense is to leave the defense, is not to make the point. In which situations we can receive green balls? Only two situations. First one, when we are receiving an easy and soft ball in front of the line, let's say one short volley of your opponent, and the second one when the opponent is playing one ball with rebound after the glass, but only if you have enough time to make a comfortable lob. Today we are here with Jerry and Jeremy. They are both players of the Padel National Team of Singapore. So thanks so much, guys, for coming to help to record the video and help to make the padel grow. I know that your background is tennis and your background is squash, right? So do you are getting more addicted to padel?
Definitely, I'm much more addicted to padel now, and I've been playing padel for average of 3-4 times a week. And I love padel, and I hope to play more in the future.
And what about you, Jerry?
Yeah, tennis is.
No. And what about you, Jerry?
Yeah, I love paddle. Paddle's way better than tennis. Now it's only playing paddle.
So subscribe. Okay, so guys, you are watching one video on how to defend, and I like to show you and don't tell you talking. So I'm gonna try to put them in a difficult situation. The goal of this exercise is they are gonna be on the attack, and I will win the point if I make one lob, if I pass you. Is okay?
Sure, let's go.
So let's go. We are teaching how to play from the defense, so we will be successful playing on the defense if I make one lob and I get the net, so I would say that I'm winning, okay? Your goal is try to keep the net or win the point. Let's go. One lob for you. Okay, two lob for you. One. Oh yeah. 3-1. Okay, it's 3-2, right? Aye. Okay, 3-all. Aye. Okay, 4-3. Go. Okay, 5-3. Aye. Okay, 6-3. Aye. Yeah, go. Okay. How long are you playing padel in total?
We've been playing since May last year,
7-8 months. So if you compare like your experience playing padel with my experience playing padel,
Yeah.
you can say that you are really advanced. So you can be really happy with your level, and now, yeah, keep working hard to
increase our level and
Yeah.
be better players and
Yeah.
hopefully beat you one day, right?
yeah, hopefully, yeah. Okay, guys, so thanks for coming to make the videos. We have to say that you guys, you own the paddle shop.sg, right?
So paddleshop.sg was started by Jerry and I. We just started it about 3 to 4 months ago. So if you guys are looking for any racket equipment, if you guys want to find out what's the best racket for you, just reach out to us on our website, IG,
Okay.
and even WhatsApp.
Yes,
And be more than happy.
everybody calling
Yeah.
paddle shop.
For sure.
And thanks for coming, guys.
Thanks Danny.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Thanks to you.
Vamos.
Yes.
Vamos.